case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1974, the United States Court of Appeals for the Third Circuit heard the case of Knapp vs. North American Rockwell Corp. The case revolved around the concept that a company that buys another company's assets is generally not liable for their debts, except under specific conditions. The lawsuit was brought forth by Stanley Knapp Jr., an employee of Mrs. Smith's Pie Company, who was injured while operating a pack-o-matic machine manufactured by Textile Machine Works, TMW. Subsequently, TMW transferred its assets to North American Rockwell, retaining only a few items. The central issue of the case was whether the agreement between TMW and Rockwell constituted a sale of assets or a merger. The court needed to assess the transfer of assets, the amount of consideration, and the continuation of the corporate entity to determine the nature of the transaction. The lower court initially ruled in favor of Rockwell. However, upon appeal, the Court of Appeals found that public policy considerations should be taken into account when determining whether the TMW-Rockwell exchange was a merger. The court ultimately ruled that the transaction was a merger, making Rockwell responsible for TMW's actions and liabilities, including the injury caused by the defective machine. In its decision, the court held that Knapp should not be denied the right to sue Rockwell due to TMW's technical existence as an independent corporation. It found that the lower court erred in granting summary judgment for Rockwell and sent the case back for reconsideration based on the corrected decision.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.